Hi, I'm Rupa. I'm back for my first video of 2021, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to tell you all about the use of filters in Instagram ads. Loads and loads of questions about this in my recent workshops and from brands and influencers. And also this morning we've had a couple of ASA rulings on the subject. So I think it'd be good to clarify what you can do with Instagram filters, when you can use them and when it might be a problem in your ads, when you shouldn't be using them basically. So the rulings this morning were really helpful. There were two into tanning products. So the influencers had applied a tanning product, but in the Instagram stories, I think, and in the feeds, the images showed a filter had been used. The point was that actually the effects of the tanning product were enhanced from the use of that filter. So even though the influencers and the brands argued that, that wasn't the intention and they weren't, the aim of the ads wasn't to show the after effects of the tanning product. Point was these influencers' skin looked considerably different and enhanced. And it made a difference to actually what you would normally see when that product was applied. So what can you take from this? What the ASA are trying to say is that there's not necessarily a problem with using filters unless it exaggerates or fundamentally changes the effects of that product. So this could be a product across all industries. Predominantly you'll see filters used for fashion and beauty, but it could apply to travel, it could apply to a car ad. If you're changing the way, if you're applying a filter that changes the way the car looks and it's fundamentally different to what you're selling, then it would be a problem. Not a problem if you're just, for example, blurring out the background of something, like if I didn't want you to be able to see what was behind me. Or if I was advertising something that wasn't cosmetic related, but I chose to change my features or my eye color or something, or that wouldn't matter so much because it's not about the product. So what's really key here is you really have to think about the product that you're marketing, and does this filter exaggerate or fundamentally change the effects of what that product can achieve? I hope that's useful. Worth sharing with any influencers or brands that might be interested in it. So I'll pop the link in the comments below. Thanks very much.